Hello sa aking mga kababayan! Welcome to my channel. Kung OFW ka or plano mong mag-work abroad, meron po akong very important update or information that I'm going to share with you. Kahit po ako, 17 years na akong OFW. Recent ko lang po rin nalaman ng information na ito dahil probably hindi na-disseminate ng maayos yung balita sa ating lahat, lalo na sa lahat ng mga OFWs. Meron pong major change na nangyari sa ating gobyerno that directly will affect tayong mga OFWs, ako, ikaw, at yung mga Pilipino nagpaplano magtrabaho abroad. You might be wondering what's going on with POEA and DMW. Lalo na kung OFW ka, hindi ka ba nagtaka na kung kumukuha ka ng OEC online, sa DMW ka kumukuha ng website. Bakit hindi sa POEA? Hindi ka ba nag-wonder? So don't worry, dahil i-breakdown ko sa inyo lahat ng kailangan nyong malaman about POEA and DMW changes. So grab a seat and make sure to hit that subscription button because this is something you don't want to miss. As an OFW or a Filipino, I'm sure you heard about POEA, the Philippines Overseas Employment Administration. Dati po, sila po yung mga tumutulong sa Filipinong naghahanap ng trabaho abroad. Paperworks, recruitment, until sa deployment process. Ang POEA po, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, is hindi po siya department. Isa lang po siyang administration ng department. Under po siya ng Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE. Did you know that POEA is merged into a new department called DMW? You heard it right. Tama po. Hindi na po siya under ng DOLE. But there's a new department being created which is DMW. Doon na po naka-under ngayon ang POEA. Huwag po kayong mag-alala dahil i-discuss ko po everything what this means for you. Especially kung OFW kayo or someone na naghahanap ng trabaho abroad, panoorin nyo po ang video na to hanggang dulo. Ang POEA po was the go-to agency for anything related to overseas employment. They were responsible for regulating recruitment agencies, issuing clearances, and making sure Filipino workers were safe before going abroad. For years po, gatekeepers sila for anyone wanting to work overseas, helping us, you and me, navigate the complicated world of foreign employment. Fast forward to today, from 2022, a brand new department called DMW, the Department of Migrant Workers, was created. This department now oversees not just recruitment, but the entire welfare of Filipinos working abroad. Think of it as one-stop shop for everything OFW. Having said that po, in short, yung atin pong gobyerno have created a new department, DMW, merely for all OFWs or for anyone who's planning to find a work abroad. And napaka-good news po sa atin ito na meron na tayong independent na department na magpo-foresee o magpoprotekta sa ating mga Pilipinong nag-work abroad. DMW is a full department. They are focusing and protecting our rights, our well-being, and our safety ng lahat ng OFWs at lahat na nagpaplanong mag-work abroad. So probably by now, nagtatanong ka how POEA and DMW work together. What happened to POEA now? Actually, yung POEA, nandyan pa rin po sila. Hindi po sila nawala. They just become part of DMW department. POEA system is still there, but now it's more streamlined and centralized under DMW department. Basically, the DMW will handle everything. They will oversee your OFW journey from signing your contract, pag nakahanap kayo ng trabaho, until dumating kayo kung saan man kayong bansa magtatrabaho, until magplano na kayong umuwi or gusto nyo nang tapusin yung trabaho nyo kung saan man yung bansa. They will oversee everything. Now, you might be wondering, ano ba yung importansya ng DMW sa'yo bilang OFW? Well, these changes means that DMW is more empowered. Empowered to protect your rights, to protect your safety, and pag na-distress po kayo, kung saan man kayong bansa ngayon you're in distress, you can ask help from them. DMW is now your go-to all things OFW. Your go-to, my go-to nating lahat sa mga OFWs na nandyan or nanonood. Anything na meron kayong kailangan, legal help or assistance, manghingi po kayo ng tulong sa DMW. Huwag po kayong mahiya kasi they are there for all of us. Plus, DMW will help us with repatriation. For example, hindi lang repatriation pag namatay ang isang OFW abroad. Repatriation bilang buhay pa. So, for example, gaya ngayon, may mga countries sa Middle East na nagigera at may mga gustong umuwi. Wala silang kakayanan umuwi quickly dahil naka-close yung border o bawal mag-travel outside of that particular country ngayon na nagigera. So, DMW can help you to repatriate at umuwi kayo sa Pilipinas ng safe. Dahil nga hindi na safe dyan sa bansang pinagtatrabahuan nyo or may problema kayo sa employer nyo at wala kayong kapasidad makauwi agad-agad, humingi kayo ng tulong sa DMW. Paano po manghingi ng tulong sa DMW? Baka nagtatanong kayo. Lumapit lang po kayo sa pinakamalapit sa inyo na immigration office. Or mag-email kayo sa kanila or tumawag. Ilalagay ko yung information sa description box below. So that's everything you need to know regarding POEA and DMW. I hope this video helps you to clear any confusion at ma-inform kayo ng mga importanteng pagbabago ng ating gobyerno. Any question po, pakidrop lang po sa comment section below. Huwag po kayong maghiyang magtanong, comment lang po kayo, sasagutin po natin yan. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe po for anything OFW related. Subscribe po kayo sa channel natin. Kung meron pong DMW, meron din pong My Paradise OFW Mama for anything OFWs. Kung nga pala po si Farah, 17 years na akong OFW. I'm here para po sa inyo, sa aking kapwa Pilipino, kapwa OFWs. I'll see you again next time. Bye!